Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use virtual number for ChatGPT. So let's go to the browser first and right here, receive SMS online. This one, receive SMS online free. Hit enter. Then you will find here the first option, receivesms.com. Click on this. Now, if you scroll down, you'll find many numbers. The virtual number is here. All you have to just choose one number. Click on open. This is an ad, so I'm closing this one. So after that, you can see this number is open to anyone can use this number for any account. So this is your luck that you can use this number for your ChatGPT account. If no one can use if no one has already used this number for ChatGPT account, then you can use this number for ChatGPT. All you have to just copy this number from here, click once and it will be copied, and you can use this number there, and it will send the verification code and it will be here. If you click on update message, you'll find here the verification code. Then you can you can copy the verification code and choose ChatGPT to use it. Okay, so this is how you can use virtual number for opening ChatGPT account. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.